In this video, we'll learn how to denoise grainy video in DaVinci Resolve using the free version. Start by making sure your video clip is in the timeline. Then, switch to the Fusion tab from the bottom of the screen. Now, press Ctrl and Space on your keyboard to open the tool selector. In the search bar, type Noise Remove and add that effect to your video. Next, go to the preview window. Hold down the Control key and scroll up with your mouse to zoom in. This helps us see the grain more clearly. At the top of the preview window, click the arrow next to the color channel icon. First, select the red channel. In the inspector panel on the right, begin increasing the red softness value slowly until the grain is less visible. If the video looks too smooth or blurry, you can adjust the red detail value to bring some sharpness back. Now, change the color channel to green. Just like before, increase the green softness until the grain disappears and slightly raise the green detail value if needed. Then, switch to the blue channel. Again, increase the blue softness until the grain is gone. Make small adjustments to the blue detail value to balance the look. Once done, go back to the color channel icon and set it back to color to see the full image. You should notice the video is much cleaner and the grain is removed. If you want to compare the before and after, select the Media in node and press 1 on your keyboard. Then select the Media Out node and press 2. This will show both versions side by side. And that's how you remove grain from a video in DaVinci Resolve Free. Thanks for watching.